Hi, I'm Debbie.
And I'm Biana.
And we are
Two
Sunset
Sunset
Sailors. You haven't seen us in a while. We've had a lot going on. A couple years ago, we sold everything we owned. We moved on a sailboat. And we were waiting for somebody to start drawing Social Security.
Yep.
So we had a steady income.
Now you tell him how old I am.
I didn't say anything. Anything. But the nice thing is we have a steady income. My job in student exchange kind of came to a grinding halt with COVID. So we waited until he turned a certain age, which shall not be mentioned. Young. So young. I mean, I'm younger, but okay. Anyway, so we did we left the marina and did a little traveling this summer. Yep. Got all the way up to Annapolis.
Yep.
And found out we absolutely love coastal cruising. Stopped a lot of places. One of the places we stopped...
Tangier.
Tangier Island.
Oh,
but
yeah.
We'll tell you more about all those things. Yep. But we stopped in Jackson Creek near Deltaville in Virginia. Yep. A place we had been before. We really enjoyed it. It had been a really long day. It was a hot day, 96, no wind. We were just looking forward to... dropping anchor in the creek, having a sundowner, going for a dip, cooling off at the end of the day. And we came into a bay that we'd been in before and loved. And suddenly, we ran aground. If sailors tell you they never run aground, they lie. Or they're not sailors,
yep.
For sure. But I was standing in the cockpit, and we came to an immediate stop. And again, we had been in this spot before and had not had any problems.
We were just about to drop anchor.
Yeah. And we just came to a dead stop. We've been moving one knot, maybe? I mean, just getting ready. Yeah. Literally, I was waiting to swap places, get behind the helm while he went up and dropped anchor. Came to a dead stop. I flew head first down the companionway and landed on my head and my back, and ended up in the hospital with 7 broken ribs, a broken collarbone, a broken L2, and a head wound.
Yeah.
And anything I say that sounds weird, I'm going to claim the head wound from now until the day I die. But I am healing well. This arm is great because, that wasn't the affected side.
And it's your drinking arm.
Yeah, my drinking arm is just fine.
Yes, it is.
So that's all good. So anyway, we've been out. We've still been sailing. We're still on the boat. I think I was in the hospital for a week and then recuperating. We have some great friends, Aaron, Tanya, Zaina, in Deltaville, who took us in, thank God. And I was able to recuperate in their home for 5 weeks. And then finally we got back on the boat. The first step on the boat was the hardest. I will never, ever, 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 ever stand in the companionway again, because that's just not a safe place to be, no matter what. And so we are now on the Intercoastal, and we're hanging out. We're kind of poised to see whether the Bahamas open and we go south for the winter. I have a big birthday, and we might want to celebrate that in turquoise waters and white sand beaches.
Would be nice.
And if the Bahamas don't open, then we're poised to go north. And we wanted to go to Maine this past summer, but didn't make it due to, beyond our control, basically. So we got this box. I guess I sort of gave it away a little bit.
Yes, you did. You kind of gave it away.
But we're doing an unboxing. So here we go.
I'll just cut right there.
Yeah. So I know you can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm cutting the box open. And again, I'm claiming head wound if there's anything at all that goes wrong here. So we're going to see what is in the box that Amazon brought us today. Here is the box. What is in the box? I see something yellow. I spy something yellow. What is it? Can you guess, friends, what it is? It is a yellow
Q flag.
Q flag for quarantine. And that means a lot to a lot of people in America right now. But tell us what a Q flag is.
Well, for the non-sailors, when you go to a different country, you got to quarantine. You put that up before you check in, and once you check in,
put it up the mast.
You put it up the
fly it up the mast.
Yep.
Ouch! I can't lift that arm.
And then You hoist that, and once you check in, and hopefully everything goes well, you can take it down again.
Oh, this
And
don't
then-
look right.
And then, yes, it does. And then, depending what country you go to, you hoist a small version of their flag.
I'm so excited. I don't know where we're going because I don't think this is right.
It
Just
is
so you know.
absolutely right.
Oh, it is. It is. It is.
And that would be the Bahamas flag.
Bahamas. It almost looks Danish. Like if you look at 3/4 of it,
Hmm.
it's a Danish flag.
So,
Bahamas. So we don't know for 100% sure.
COVID and all, we don't know if Bahamas is going to open up completely or whatever, but we will be ready.
We're prepared.
We are prepared.
What is that movie, Facing the Giants?
Maybe.
We're what is it? We're preparing for rain.
Yep.
Or in this case, sunshine and open Bahamas.
That is correct.
So, anyway, that's basically where we are right now. We're going to be on our Patreon page. I'll be doing a bunch of posts about where we were this summer. We saw lions and tigers and black bears. Oh my.
Oh my.
Maybe not lions and... well, basically, we're not far from that Tiger King place right now. That tells you sort of where we are. So we could see tigers.
I don't know.
And we did see bears and alligators
Yep.
and snapping turtles and
Yep.
lots and lots and lots of dolphin. Lots of dolphin. This summer. So we'll be doing a few posts on our Patreon page. So you can go in and read those. And if you're on our Facebook page, you can... I know I'm shaking the table. Sorry about that. You can go on the Patreon page and read the posts that are coming with little videos along the way. Another fun place we went this summer is Tangier Island.
Oh yeah.
And Tangier is interesting in that it's eroding. So we wanted to make sure that we saw it. It's up in the Chesapeake. It's Virginia, just this side of the Maryland line, but in the center of the Chesapeake.
Yeah.
And I know our boat is only 410. Our draft is only 410. But we were on the bottom in the marina.
Yeah,
So it is
at low tide.
at low tide. It is evaporating. But the cool thing is that island has, if you're a teenager, you do not want to go to Tangier Island, for there is no internet, there's no cell phone, there are no cars, and for adults there is no alcohol.
Yep.
So it's a nice quiet respite of a place. But we'll tell you more about that in our Facebook and our Patreon posts.
So we'll see you later, and we will try to update more videos more often.
Yeah, we're back to being able to
Yes.
do that kind of thing. So
So-
thank you from Two Sunsets. Oh, check out the...
Oh, yeah. Two Sunset Sailors.
That's us.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.